So starting on this side of the motor, everything right here is different on the JDM motors. The alternator, the water pump housing, and this crank pulley is bigger on the JDM motor, as well as this tensioner pulley. So you will need to convert all of this to USDM. You need to get a K24, USDM K24 or a K20 pulley. You need to get a USDM water pump housing with the pulley and also the alternator. So if you got the JDM stuff, the belt that's provided with this kit, it will not work. It will be a little bit smaller and you'd have to go to O'Reilly's and get you a bigger one or whatever, blah, blah, blah. But you could purchase this power steering delete right here through Toyonda. The link will be in the description. Comes with the belt, and then you just have to install this on your motor, and then your power steering will be deleted. Moving on to this side, the spacer is also sold on Toyonda for this RBC manifold. Good tip, if you're going to turbo your car, you just drill and tap 1A MPT fittings under here, so you don't have to get the boost block or the vacuum block, whatever it may be called. So you could just drill and tap these and just plug your lines in there. This spacer right here for the RBC manifold is sold on Toyonda, along with the throttle body, the block offs, the TPS, and this 4-bar map sensor right here from Speed Factory. All right, so this water neck right here is sold through Toyonda. It's an additional cost if you're getting the swap done from them, or if you go to their website, you're going to have to pay for it. But you could get this fill neck added right here. You could get this with a push-on style for the hose, or you could get a 16-amp fitting to go in there. Toyonda also provides a fuel rail for additional costs, of course, or you could purchase through their website. If you're not going to put the fuel pressure gauge right here, you need to put thread tape on it so you don't leak. You could pick everything up for your K-swap in one place. You don't have to go anywhere else to get anything. You can get your engine mounts, as well as the alternator, the little block off bung right here if you don't want to run heat, and the starter right in your starter, as well as a new oil pan that's tapped for a turbo car if you want the return line right there. So if you want to just order everything, you don't want to tap your oil pan, you could purchase everything through the website and you could get it delivered to your front door and just ready to be installed on your car.